Yo, what's good, team? Just a recap off of today's trade. Third winning day in a row this week. See if we can continue the win streak until the end of the week. Finish off strong, but currently up 4R, I believe, this week because we secured 1R today, 1.7R yesterday, and then I think we secured just over 1R on Monday's trade. So yeah, maybe just under 4R, maybe it's like 3.8 or some shit like that. But anyways, starting off higher time frame on the 4 hour. Pardon me. So swing low to swing high, intermediate term low, higher short term low to the right of it, higher short term low to the left of it. This is an intermediate term low. That's why I projected it from this low up to the swing high, intermediate term high again. It's got a lower short term high to the left of it and a lower short term high to the right of it. 50% level, price retraces after forming that intermediate term high straight into a discount, scale down to the lower time frames. We are inside of first AM macro. At the open, we do consolidate, and I was actually thinking about closing the charts, but I was going to wait until the 10 AM fold on news to see if price action had picked up, and obviously just before the 10 AM news driver, we're seeing such a clean setup. So I also need to show you guys this on the higher time frame. So AS comes down, sweeps out the sell side liquidity from yesterday's AM session. So that is previous AM low sweep. If we take a look at NQ though, NQ holds above, so I've got a bullish S&T at those lows. Bro, why am I burping so much? So after sweeping those lows, we've got an S&T at that low. We get legs to the upside, consolidate, and then both assets manipulate lower, taking out all of these low resistance sell stops. Boom, displacement candle to the upside, changing the state of delivery, bullish market structure shift. We've got a breaker there as well with a BISI. Didn't wait for the retrace into the BISI because this was a breaker or inside of the breaker, so I went along there. And then yeah, just stops at the low external range from the buy model, and then TP at this buy side liquidity. And also we're entered inside of the macro, so I was literally saying to the team live inside of the Discord that the main way that a macro works is number one, it hunts liquidity such as buy side or sell side liquidity, and number two, it rebalances imbalances. So go to the 30-minute. Look at this huge imbalance on the 30-minute. That is the function of the macro, to rebalance imbalances. So within that 950 to 10:10 time window, that 20-minute time window, that is your first AM macro. That's where you're going to see those big sharp moves where price or the algo seeks buy side, sell side, and loves to rebalance imbalances. So that's sort of another confluence off of today's trade. Inside of first day macro, bullish market structure shift, breaker, changing the state of delivery after a sweep on this short-term low on both assets. We'll go to ES as well. ES had swept these lows, so pretty clean trade. We also had red falling news at 10 AM, so as soon as the candle opened at 10 AM, started pushing to the upside, went break even. Now, I'm not really as fearful with red falling news at 10 AM. I just see them as a catalyst to move price with extra volatility. So if I see a clean buy model before a news drop, personally I will take it. Now it does sound a bit risky, but that's literally what news is. It is a catalyst for price delivery, to just for more speed, so price can efficiently deliver price to buy side, rebalance imbalances and stuff of that sort. So also we were below the 8:30 open and the midnight open. So whenever I'm going long, I'm always looking to go long below the 8:30 open and the midnight open. And we also went long below the 9:30 open. So perfect trade. 1R secured on the day. We are up 4R on the week, so that's clean stuff. But yeah, Those who are watching the YouTube video, again, link is in the description for the VIP Discord. Members watch me trade live like this setup today every single day. So whoever was watching the live stream today caught this exact setup. Watch me place the trade, watch me set the stop loss, and they watched me set the TP, and they held through the trade. Hopefully they did, to full TP. But yeah, also doing one-to-ones as well. So 2 spots left for December. Just one-to-one coaching, and it's the first time I'm ever doing one-to-one coaching. So if you are interested in that and you want to take your trading a little bit more seriously, then I'll also put the link in the description for the Instagram, and then just message me Mentor and I'll send you more details on that. So anyways, clean week so far. We're up 4 risk to reward. Super clean. I'll see you guys all inside of tomorrow's live stream, those who are on the VIP.